Why does the sperm leak out after sex? To understand how it is possible to have sperm leak out after sex and still become pregnant, it is important to discuss the difference between semen and sperm. Semen is the liquid that comes out of the penis, and sperm are the cells found in semen that are responsible for fertilizing egg cells in a female. When a male arouses, sperm mix with bodily secretions to make semen. In addition to sperm cells, semen include number of bodily secretions to help those sperm cells survive to raise the egg cell. This includes prostatic fluid for neutralizing the acidity of the vagina, seminal fluid to help nourish the sperm, and bulbourethral fluid to lubricate the penis. Sperm can be leaked out from vagina in different kind of way. Maybe the lady does not position well, maybe due to some certain reason, maybe due to medical effects, but at the same time it happens during sleep. This sleep is like nightmare. Some people, when they sleep, they dream of having sex with somebody that they love within themselves, and due to this they find it that they have released when they wake up. During sleep, adolescents and younger adults commonly experience semen leakage during sleep, although it can affect male of any age, known as nocturnal emissions or wet dream. This nighttime leakage occurs when dream cause sexual arousal. Contact with bedding or clothing may also cause arousal and subsequent ejaculation of semen. Many women complain about sperm leakage or sperm pouring out of their vagina after sexual intercourse, attributing it as the cause of their infertility. This anomaly is quite common, especially among women all over. The leakage or reflux of sperm from the vagina does not exactly cause infertility, although to a greater extent it can lower a couple's chance of conception, given that to actually conceive a healthy baby, a woman will need a healthy sperm cell and optimal vaginal health. Conditions for this purpose to be accomplished. Ideally, the sperm is structurally divided into the following parts: the head that is fusion with the ovum, the body provide energy, the tail for movement. Thus, to ensure fertilization altogether, the above mentioned structural part of the spermatozoa ought to be functionally normal, otherwise became a case of male infertility. On the other hand, a woman too has a similar role to play, especially as it concerns the leakage of sperm out from the vagina after sexual intercourse. Studies have revealed that women with a medical history of pelvic infection will induce the immune system to release anti-sperm and antibodies within the vaginal tract. And so, when the male partner ejaculates sperm into the vagina, these antibodies would inadvertently attack the edge of the sperm, thereby weakening its viability and capacity to impregnate the cervical muscles, lowering the chance of fertilization and the rest of the ejaculation pulse would pour forth out of the vagina. Now, let's talk about the causes of sperm leakage. So many reasons can make or can cause sperm leakage. A couple with primary or secondary infertility suffering from sperm leakage issues after sexual intercourse may have other factors hindering their effort at trying to conceive. So it is important you consider the following factor that could debar you from conceiving and maximize your efforts. Dietary choice. A woman with thick cervical mucus can also suffer from the leakage of sperm from the vagina due to overindulgence in the food with excess glucose content. The reason behind this is that food with high glycemic index increase the acidic pH level of the vagina and thickness the cervical vaginal fluid, whereas the sperm will require an optimal alkaline environment. And as a result of this repair, the male sperm leading to sperm leakage. 2. Retroverted womb. Women with tight or my position uterus have been found to suffer from sperm leakage from vagina. This is because the normal uterus is in anteverted anatomical position and more favorable for normal sperm movement into the womb, as against a retroverted womb that impedes the male semen from moving into the womb. 3. Nervous system injury. The nervous system is the complex network of nerves and cells that transmit message between the brain and the other part of the body. It controls all of the body functions, including ejaculation. Damage to the nervous system may cause semen leakage or other change in ejaculation. Injury and serious medical conditions that can cause nervous system damage include injury to the head or spinal cord, brain tumor, exposure to poison such as carbon monoxide or heavy metal, degenerative conditions such as Parkinson's disease or multiple sclerosis, infection in the brain or around the brain and spinal cord, drug or alcohol misuse, diabetes, Guillain-Barré syndrome, nutritional deficiencies such as vitamin B12 deficiency. Prostate cancer. Prostate cancer. Cancer is another condition that affects the prostate gland. After skin cancer and lung cancer, prostate cancer is the most common cancer among men. It affects approximately 1 in every 9 men at some point in their life. In the early age stage, prostate cancer may not cause any symptom as it is progress. However, symptoms may include change in semen and ejaculation, difficult urinating, blood in the semen, pelvic discomfort, erectile dysfunction. Although prostate cancer is a serious condition that requires medical treatment, the American Cancer Society reports that most men with prostate cancer do not die from it. Way to naturally prevent sperm leakage. Prevention. You can prevent it if you don't want it to happen to you. Everybody can try this method. Having orgasm. Orgasm is a period of intense sexual climax in women, accompanied with spasm of the pelvic muscle, which help to pull sperm into the womb. Raising orgasm and ejaculating concomitantly increase a couple's chance of conception, even if sperm leakage still do occur. Ideal sex position. For a woman with a retroverted structures, the best position to adopt is the rear position or doggy style. This helps to increase your chance of conception. Time misses. To ensure adequate sperm enter into the uterus and to minimize sperm leakage during sexual intercourse, the female partner should place a pillow behind her waist and then remain on her back for at least 20 to 30 minutes without first dashing off to the bedroom for a wash. Main factor. To further enhance the influx of sperm into the uterus, the male partner will need to deepen his penetration, especially at the peak of sexual climax. This will ensure that sperm is ejaculated strategically around the gateway into the womb, increasing its chance of fertilization. Natural remedy for sperm leakage. Now we have known about this, what we call sperm leakage, how to prevent it, and some other mistake we are doing. Now, if you have been going through this kind of stuff, there's remedies. A natural one that will not even spend you much money, and it's confirmed that will give you the result you want. Natural remedy for sperm leakage. 1. The number one. Please, before I continue, I plead with you, please subscribe to this channel so that anytime I do another video on anything, you will get it. Who knows, your neighbor, you might help your neighbor by watching this video, by subscribe. Well, because when I post a new video, when you have subscribed, definitely you are going to see a heading, and you may tell your neighbor that your neighbor may be complaining about something. You may tell the neighbor that I have seen this kind of thing, go and okay, try this. That is why you must subscribe. Okay, let's continue. And before we continue again, if you have any question to ask, or there's anything you want to do, or if you are preparing this procedure I give you, you are finding it difficult by any means, you can write a comment. You can send me a comment. You can send me. I will later today. I will give you my number so that anybody can reach me at any time. Let's continue. Ingredient. The ingredient you need: bitter lemon, Hunteria umbellata seed, and Mata Guinness drink. This is how to prepare it. Get 1 bitter lemon. If you look at the picture I put on this video, you will see what bitter lemon look like. You see the Hunteria seed, what it look like. This Hunteria, you can get full cup, small cup, a drinking cup. You can get, let it be full. Remove the outer layer, then cross the Hunteria seed. Cut inside into pieces. Then take your bitter lemon and cut it into pieces. Remove the back layer, this outer layer, remove it, and remove the seed inside it. Then cut it into pieces. Put these two things in a plastic that has cover. Then pour this Guinness drink, Malta Guinness drink, pour it. Let it be ferment. You can drink half glass of cup in the morning and drink it in the night, or 3/4, because it purge. It purge. 2. The ingredient you need to perform this is you need the same ontra seed and sea butter. When you have ground your ontra seed to a powder, mix it with sea butter and apply it on your upper thigh close to your vaginal area. That is outside of your vagina. Do that for good 2 weeks and be amazed. 3. Cut the fresh root of Java coccus into bottle or plastic keg of 1 liter and fill it with alcohol. Then take a little quantity that cannot intoxicate you. Take it 3 times a day. Take it in the morning, in the afternoon, and the night. But put it in the mind, don't drink excess. Don't drink the one that will make you drunk. Remember, it's a medicine. Then number 4, blend the bark of Shrewsbury Africa with potash and take with pap every morning. Take a little potash and blend this fruit with it. Not the fruit by itself. I made the bark tree. That's what you will take and blend it with potash. The tree itself, the bark, that's what you will take. If you can find the fresh one, fine. If you can find the dry one, it's also good. Then mix a little potash with it and prepare your pap in the morning and mix it with this as if it's milk. When you put this medicine inside your pap, don't put milk and don't put sugar. That serve as milk and sugar. Take it like 2 weeks. You will thank God. 5. Get 5 to 10-15 fresh okra. Slide the okra, then get dry okra seed. Dry okra seed about half cup, about half glass cup. No, it's a seed. It's a very tiny seed. Put all this item in empty bottle or plastic. Then add soda tonic water. Allow for it to ferment like 2 days. Take half glass of 2 times a day. What I'm saying here is that when you get a keg or a plastic or anything that has cover that you can easily pour liquid something from, and you can put this thing. When you get that, then put your okra like 15 pieces or 5 to 15 pieces. Put it inside that keg. The dry seed that you have obtained, put it in with the keg. Then go and get a soda tonic water. Pour a quantity that will like cover the seed and the fruit. Then leave it for 2 days before you do anything with it again. After 2 days, go there and take your glass cup, let it be half of that glass cup that you drink, or 3/4. Then make sure you drink it 2 times a day, maybe in the morning, or maybe one in the morning, one in the night, or as you want, but make it 2 times in a day. Finally, if you have a retroversion uterus which can only be confirmed by a scan, when having sexual intercourse with your spouse, let him come from behind. There is rear entry. Having your partner enter you from behind while you are either lying on your abdomen or clean could potentially promote a better shot at getting pregnant. As a research published in the Journal of Sex and Marital Therapy found this position allowed the penis to reach the recess at back of the cervix, and therefore may allow sperm to be ejaculate closer to the surface. Thank you. Please click the subscribing button now.